In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the host in Calendly step by step. This is really useful if your team changes, if you need to update who is assigned to an event, or if you simply want to switch a scheduling page from one person to another. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to save the change correctly. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Calendly account using your normal email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a look at the left side or top navigation area and find the scheduling section. This is where Calendly stores your event types and scheduling settings, so that's the place we need to work from. Next, look for the event that you want to edit. In this case, you'll want to select either a round-robin event or a collective event, depending on how your team availability is set up. Round robin is usually used when Calendly rotates meetings between different hosts, while collective means multiple hosts can be involved in the same booking. So choose the event that matches the setup you're trying to update. After you open the event, scroll or look through the event settings until you find the hosts section. This is the area that controls who is attached to that scheduling page. Once you open hosts, you'll be able to see the current host or hosts that are connected to the event. Now, you can make the change. If you want to replace the current host, remove the existing host from the list. If you want to add a new host, select the option to add a host and choose the person you want from your available team members. This is the key step because it determines who Calendly will use when someone books a meeting through that event. Take a moment to double check everything before moving on. Make sure the right person has been added and make sure the old host has been removed if that's what you intended. It's always a good idea to verify this before saving, especially if the event is already active and are receiving bookings. Once everything looks correct, click Save to apply your changes. Calendly should now update the event host settings immediately. After that, the scheduling page will reflect the new host arrangement and future bookings will go to the updated person or team setup. And that's it. You've successfully changed the host in Calendly. It only takes a few steps once you know where to look, and now you can manage team scheduling much more easily. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.